Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Fluency Builder. Thank you for being here today. Take a deep breath, relax, and listen carefully. Today, we continue our journey. So welcome to Storytelling Episode 6. Today's story is called The Wrong Bus. Let's begin. There was a young man named Ryan. Ryan had an important interview. It was his dream opportunity. He woke up early, got ready, and left his house on time. Everything was going perfectly. He reached the bus stop and quickly got on a bus. He sat down, feeling confident. This is going to be my day, he thought. The bus started moving. After a few minutes, Ryan looked outside the window. Something felt strange. The roads looked unfamiliar. The buildings looked different. He checked the bus number again, and his heart dropped. It was the wrong bus. Ryan panicked. Oh no, I'm going in the wrong direction. He checked the time. He was already late. His mind filled with negative thoughts. I missed my chance. This is a failure. Why does this always happen to me? He felt frustrated, angry, disappointed. After a few minutes, he took a deep breath. He realized something. Panicking was not helping. He had two choices. He could keep complaining, or he could take action. At the next stop, Ryan got down from the bus. He looked around. He didn't know the place. But he didn't give up. He asked a stranger for help. "Excuse me, how can I reach this location?" The stranger guided him. Ryan quickly took another bus. Then a short walk. Then a cab. It was not easy, but he kept moving. Finally, he reached the interview location. He was late, very late. He walked in, feeling nervous. He said honestly, "I'm really sorry. I took the wrong bus. But I didn't give up. I came as fast as I could." The interviewer looked at him and smiled. "Sit down," he said. The interview began. Ryan answered confidently. He didn't hide his mistake. He didn't make excuses. He just stayed honest. A few days later, Ryan received a call. He got the job. He was shocked. He asked, "Even after I was late?" The interviewer replied, "You made a mistake, but you didn't quit. That matters more." Ryan smiled. That day, he learned something powerful. Life will not always go as planned. Sometimes, you will take the wrong bus. You will make mistakes. You will feel lost. But what matters is what you do next. Do you stop, or do you keep going? And that is the lesson of today's story. Mistakes do not define you. Your response does. Even if you go in the wrong direction, you can still reach the right destination. If you don't give up. Thank you for listening to Storytelling Episode 6 on English Fluency Builder. If you find this storytelling useful, do subscribe to our channel and click bell button and continue learning English with us. I will see you in the next episode.